Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to shorten link in Zapier automation. This is incredibly useful when you're collecting URLs through forms and want to automatically convert them into clean, manageable short links without any manual work. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to zapier.com. Once you're on the site, go ahead and log in using your credentials. This will take you to your Zapier dashboard where you can create and manage all your automations. Now click on the Zap button to start building your new automation. This is where you'll set up the workflow that will automatically shorten any URLs that come through your form submissions. Next, click on the trigger button. The trigger is what starts your automation, so we need to tell Zapier what event should kick things off. In the search bar, type in Google Forms and select it from the results. Once Google Forms is selected, you'll need to choose the specific trigger event from the drop-down menu. Select New Form Response. This means every time someone submits your form, the automation will run. Now you'll need to connect your Google Forms account. Click the Sign In button and follow the prompts to authorize Zapier to access your Google Forms. This connection is essential for Zapier to pull data from your forms. After connecting, click Continue. Zapier will now ask you to test the trigger. Make sure you have a sample form submission ready that includes a long URL in one of the fields. This test pulls real data from your form to verify everything is working correctly. Give it a moment to retrieve that information. Once the test is successful, it's time to set up the action. Click the Action button, then search for and select URLs Shortener by Zapier. This is Zapier's built-in tool for creating shortened links automatically. In the Action Event drop-down menu, choose Shorten URL, then click Continue. This tells Zapier exactly what you want it to do with the data from your trigger. Now comes the important part. In the URL field, you'll see options to insert data from your trigger step. Click on this field and select the long URL data that was captured from your Google Forms submission. This maps the URL from your form directly into the shortening tool. Once you've selected it, click Continue. Next, click Test Step. Zapier will now take the sample URL from your form and actually shorten it so you can see the automation working in real time. Wait a moment while it processes, and you should see the shortened URL appear in the results. Finally, once you've confirmed everything works as expected, click Publish. This turns your Zapier on and makes it live. From now on, every time someone submits your Google form with a URL, Zapier will automatically shorten it for you. And that's it. You've successfully set up an automation that shortens links directly within Zapier. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.